Sijaona kama wewe, muumbaji wa mbingu na ardhi. Roho yangu ya kusifu wewe Bwana, kwa jina lako Bwana wangu, mabaya yote yatashuka ndani yako Yesu Baba, mbele zako Mungu mmoja tangu mwanzo, unapita na mawazo, maarifa yako Bwana ni makubwa, kimbilio la vizazi, sijaona kama wewe. Nguvu zako Bwana wangu zanitisha. Hey, what's up? My name is Robin. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play party Kubuya, Sijaona kama wewe. This is a response to a request that was made by one of you. So if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know at the comment area. I have also done a guitar tutorial on this song, so if you want to go and check it out, the link will pop out somewhere here, so you can go and have a look. And you know, as always, if you learn from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorial. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. Well, this song is in the key of F sharp, but in this tutorial I'll teach you guys on how to play the song in the key of F. But in case you want to play it in the key of F sharp, you will just transpose your keyboard half step up. Hopefully you're using a keyboard that can be transposed, I mean that has that feature of transposing. So the progression is 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6. So that's the progression for the whole song. Though if you listen to the song, the song transposes to C sharp. If you listen to that, you know, that record, original song, where the lady sings, she sings in the key of C sharp. But in this tutorial, for the purpose of keeping it simple, I will just teach you in that key of F. But in case you want, you know, a thorough tutorial on how to play this song, just let me know in the comment area so that I can do another video on it. So the 4 is A sharp major chord, 1 is F major chord, C, the 5 is C major chord, and the 6 is D minor chord. So the A sharp major chord, this is an inversion of A sharp, second inversion of the A sharp. So normally you'll hold your A sharp here, so A sharp, normal A sharp, then second inversion of the A sharp, you know, and then first inversion. So I am using my small finger on note F, then note A sharp with my middle finger, and then note D with my thumb. On right hand, note F with my thumb, A sharp with my middle finger, and note D, and note C, sorry, note D with my small finger. So that's A sharp major chord, F major chord. So this is just the normal way of holding your F. So on my left hand, I'm using my small finger to play note F. my middle finger, note A, and C with my thumb. And then thumb plays on my right hand, thumb plays note F, A with my middle finger, and C with my small finger. So that's F major chord. Then chord C, which is the 5th chord. So this chord C, this is the first inversion of the C chord. So normally you'll play your C here, C, first inversion, second inversion. So I'll show you how now we're using this first inversion. So left small finger plays note E, G with my middle finger, and C with my thumb. Right hand, note E with my, yes, on my right hand, note E with my thumb, G with my pointer finger, and C with my small finger. So that's C major chord, and then finally D minor chord. So this D minor is an inversion. It's the first inversion of the D minor chord. So normally you play your D minor here. D minor, first inversion, second inversion. So first inversion. My small finger plays note F, note A with my middle finger, and note D with my thumb. Note F on my right hand, F with my thumb, note A with my pointer finger, and note D with my small finger. So that's D minor chord, first inversion of the D minor chord. So those are the chords that you will use to play that song, and that's also the progression. So maybe on the rhythm. So rhythm, I'll show you a simple rhythm that you can use. So you can play 4 quarter notes for every beat. So I'll just count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sijaona kama wewe. Na 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 na. Umuanza tena mwisho. Na 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 na. So basically that's how you play the song. So as always guys, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're a first timer here, so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.